As the March 12th deadline to submit their petitions draws closer, the St. Croix Recall petition group say they want clarification on just how many signatures will be required to recall members of the St. Croix District Board of Elections. The group says they've been unsuccessful at getting the board's help to exercise their authority in the matter, so they're taking them to court to have a judge decide. Named in the suit are John Abramson Jr. as the supervisor of elections, Rupert Ross Jr. as the St. Croix District Elections Board chair, and members of the St. Croix District Board of Elections. The original petition submitted back in December only called for Chairman Ross's removal, but later on January 12th, organizers withdrew and submitted a second petition asking to remove all members except one, Adelbert Bryan. The group was told by Abramson that they needed signatures totaling 50% of all votes cast for a distinct office, in this instance, the Board of Elections. But organizers say that number would be too high. The total number of votes cast for the office was 22,984. Their interpretation of the revised Organic Act of 1954 is that it should be 50% of the votes cast for the individual being recalled. So the group is calling for the court to interpret and clarify the correct number of signatures needed for a successful recall, a permanent injunction barring implementation of the threshold set by Abramson in 2012, a declaration that the recall petitions can be signed not only by those voters who voted in the 2008 or 2010 general election, but also by any eligible voter, an order directing defendants to proceed with a recall election between 30 and 60 days once the correct required signature threshold is met. Now, there are other things the group is asking for, and as evidence, they say they plan to present audio recordings of 2 elections meetings that will show inconsistencies in Abramson's interpretation of the revised Organic Act of 1954. For News 2, I'm Erica Parsons.